Welcome to the User Stories part of the Introduction to Data Science for the Built Environment course. This is the first of several explainer videos that I will use to give examples of why learning to code is a good idea for building designers, contractors, and operations professionals. These videos will follow the career paths of several new university graduates as they leave their studies and enter real-world jobs. This first video introduces the characters that you will be learning about in the next few weeks. First, we have Phil, who is currently pursuing a degree in architecture. Next, there's Jane, who's pursuing a degree in engineering. Finally, we have Eleanor, James, and Linus, who are all studying project and facilities management degrees. First, let's start with Phil, who was taught the fundamental principles of architectural design methods, basic drawing skills, and the broad range of issues that are addressed in the design of buildings. In later years of his study, he is also exposed to the issues of structure, site, program, and envelope design. His architecture studies focused on the knowledge of aesthetic, cultural, and construction concerns. Next, we have Jane, who had hands-on experience in foundational engineering subjects such as materials, design, and systems thinking. Throughout her studies, Jane chose the specialization of energy and sustainability and learned about conventional and alternative energy sources within the broader context of energy management and sustainability. Jane is also equipped with the interdisciplinary skills to analyze, design, optimize, and evaluate the technical and economic viability of building systems. Moving on, we have Eleanor, James, and Linus, whose core area of studies include project management, contract management, facilities management, and events management. They are also being taught about structural systems, introduction to building information modeling, operation and maintenance of buildings, and some knowledge in construction technologies. Last but not least, all of our characters were introduced to the basics of data science, whereby they are taught about the various functions of Python, the Pandas library, and machine learning algorithms in their course of study. After being taught these skills, they are all wondering about how they can use these skills in their future careers. After graduating, Phil, Jane, Eleanor, James, and Linus start looking for jobs online. Therefore, stay tuned in future videos to find out how they use these new skills in their future careers.